Hello guys, welcome back to Zapier training videos. My name is Lenin and today we will see how to make a Zap from scratch. So let's create a Zap. We're gonna create an easy one. Let's do Twitter again since it's already synced with my account whenever someone like a tweet. Okay, so it triggers when a specific user likes a tweet. Okay, let's do it. Click on continue. Okay, now it says Twitter account, so we're gonna connect the Twitter account we already have. So let's see here, then continue. Okay, now I need to type the username of the account that I want to trigger whenever there is a like. So I will use mine. It's Lenin Tech, so I will use the one for the @ sign, Lenin Tech. Now let's click on continue and let's test it. Okay, you can see guys, it is showing one test. It is showing this one. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. On the next video we will see the second part. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye.